Tingnan, uy! Wow! Ay, ang ganda!
Ano ba yan?
Hala! Bubuksan pa yan, ma'am!
Okay, oh! No!
Ang ganda!
Five minutes later.
Ayan po, may bubuksan po kami ngayong ano man tawag dito?
Unboxing challenge.
Oh, unboxing challenge daw to.
Unboxing okay, just video it, okay?
Ayan.
You start the video, okay?
Ayan boss, Amerika po yan. At andito po sa gilid yung mga judgment.
Yeah. And then, that is the Coca-Cola yesterday.
Yes! Yan, tingnan po natin kung ano tong mukhang mabigat. Mabigat. Mukhang gold yata to, gold.
She's going to open this.
Tingnan natin kung ano to.
Don't worry, that's fine, okay?
Mukhang mayroong leader dyan nasa recipiation dito sa loob ah.
The bigly no. Oh my God! Is that the ano? Police. Let's go.
Yan na!
Oh, sorry.
Yan na, sardinas! Putik, sardinas pala yan! Bakit ganyan kakapal?
Oh no! Galing pa siyang balik.
Oh my goodness!
Oh my goodness. No,
Oh
so
my
it's very big. To cut the ano.
Yan na oh!
Okay. Wow! Oh my God! That is no fragile, okay? Fragile.
Fragile. Dapat ganyan lang. Mayroon pa!
Yeah.
Ang dami.
100,000.
Ang daming balot. Tingnan natin.
What's that? Just open it there. What's that?
Oh! Ano yan? Wow!
Wow, balloons.
Ano yun? Ano ba nakalagay? Walang laman. Ay, dito pala. Tapos, pinapaputok to.
Oh my God.
Ayan o. Oh.
Say something.
Just open it.
No, that's not wrong, okay? Yeah, my eyes is flashing. Just open it, okay?
Woo! Ayan na. Ano kaya ito?
Yan.
Oo.
Mukhang
Mukhang maganda to ah. Ano kaya yan? Ano yata yung kutsilyo eh?
ha? That's styrofoam. Wait, hindi. Nasa tangan-tangan.
Yan na. Sige, guntingin mo. Oo.
Tapos yung pala yung kay sa'yo.
Alam ko na yan. Alam ko na.
This is what we call balak ng snake.
Oh. Putok-putokin niya, putok-putokin.
Don't use left hand, use your right hand.
You know?
Wow! Oh, mas palo! Dami ng balik yan.
Grabe naman yan. Ano ba yan? Tingnan. Uy! Wow! Ay, ang ganda!
Ano ba yan?
Hala! Bubuksan pa yan, ma'am!
That's not just me. Okay, oh! No!
Oh, good.
Because you... So that si Miss never is
Oh, hindi na itutuloy. DJ tutuloy.
Ako, iyak yan.
Kung walang DJ tutuloy ni Ma'am, gundo naman.
Wala.
Ma'am, give me a simple message. Iyak na naman yan si Sir. Kanina pa yan eh. Woo! Ang ganda! Tataratat! Oh, America, say something, simple message.
What are you going to say?
What your,
Your flag of resignation? Flag of appreciation.
flag of relation.
This is a sign of love of your student. Okay?
Just to be Spanish and
Moment of silence. Just Hidden Diaz. Already on that. I'm happy to listen already. Okay? Just okay. Okay, you guys, going to what happened to you? Go! Mahal ka rin, student, go! Oh, let's on it
Ma'am Erica Pinta Nasas, senior high librarian.
I'm just hungry to buy this hat. Okay?
Tapos pinapaputok yun, oh. Ayan. Ayan na. What's up? Ayan na, kay Sir na. Binubuksan na ni Sir, binubuksan na.
Wow! Oh my God! Nagdigit kami ng white chocolate. Nice!
Gusto na yung gunting mo?
Where's the yan?
Na, ayan na, papapotok pa ako.
Ayan guys, the video. This side is thinking na is going to buy. Okay? That's the you will get this piece.
Oh, yes.
Oh my God! More pogi. This is a pogi. Oh, I'm not crying. I'm happy. Thank you very much, guys.
Na. Mami ko naman.
Napakita ng galing. Kaya ang okay, sorry ha. Okay.
Happy lang. Tatanggalin yan. Sir, pakitanggal na, Sir, para makita namin. Yan, no?
Yeah,
Yun, no?
ang gold medal.
Yun, no? Oh my God, nagkaroon siya. Magagamit ko sa ibang araw. Kita mo? Yan. Don't cry, okay? Don't cry, Johnny.
For 1 million pesos!
Yan na, malapit na! Ayan na!
Unboxing!
Ayan na, kasi na, 1 million yan!
Ako maling spelling! Oh my God, ang nahap!
Woo!
Last night,
Picture-taking na ulit.
ha?
Picture-taking na ulit. Kasi ganyan pa eh.
No!
Shut ka.
Yes, ano, say something. Hindi, you received the ano.
Ma'am, buksan mo. Ay, ano mo na, ma'am?
Just read it, okay?
Ay, di, saan mo na? Ayan no, ayan no. Oh! Ang ganda oh.
Salamat ng pagbisan pa.
Mary Capilla, Canasas, RL, Senior High School Library. Ayan, sino Mary Capilla.
Yan yung mga susunod.
Ayan o.
Kasi ako eh.
Ma'am, there's something ma'am, simple speech lang po.
Sabi mo lang doon na basta ako eh. Pag-ibig ko sa akin.
Woo! Farewell to you, my friend. You see, it's all again. Can't believe you everything. No.
This is your plan. Sigurado ba kayong iiyak silang biyay kasi baka ibang iyak. Late ka kasi.
Tapos na kanina pa.
Grabe yung magugulo kami.
Ayan na, oh, tugtog oh. Ay,